Do you feel the vibes?
Volkswagen has revealed the ID Vizzion in a series of sketches and a close-up shot of the car's front lights ahead of the car's official appearance at the Geneva Motor Show later this month. The Saloon, a follow-up concept to the ID hatchback, ID Cross SUV and ID Buzz microbus concepts, shows another prong of VW's electric assault post-Dieselgate. Power is claimed to be 297 bhp and the car maxes out at 112 miles per hour. A 111 kWh lithium-ion battery pack provides a range of up to 413 miles, combined with the effect of the car's regenerative braking. Motor's front and rear power all four wheels. It's around 5,110 millimeters long. It's the same length as a standard wheelbase Mercedes-Benz S-Class, although VW bills the ID Vizzion as a premium saloon. This means that the eventual production car will be a follow-up to the ill-fated Phaeton, as previously reported. It's the first model in the ID range to go without driver controls. The interior has 4 seats, with no pedals, steering wheel or infotainment for the driver or front seat passenger. This means it's the first fully autonomous model VW has shown. A nod to those who can't drive, such as children, further confirms the car's level 5 autonomy. No driver input is required at any time. Instead of a traditional infotainment setup, the ID Vizzion has a voice and gesture-controlled host, presumably with displays incorporated into the windows rather than separate screens, and augmented reality used throughout. VW recently confirmed that the ID hatch will enter production in late 2019, while the ID Cross will launch the following year. By 2025, there'll be more than 20 EVs in the VW lineup, with 1 million annual EV sales target.